Happy birthday, Isha!
Anak, 7 years old ka na. I'm so proud na ikaw ang number 1 dyan sa school nyo.
Section.
Sa section ninyo.
Keep it up, anak ko.
Ang galing-galing mo. Manang-mana ka kay daddy tsaka kay mommy.
Of course.
So, enjoy mo yung party mo. I'm sure madami kang kaibigan at kamag-anak na pupunta. I love you so much, anak. And we look forward, kami ni Mami, kay mga brothers mo, we look forward na dumating ka na dito. Next year, dito ka na mag-grade 2.
With your brothers.
With your brothers. I love you, anak. Happy birthday. O, si Mami naman.
Happy birthday, anak. I wish and pray to Papa Jesus always that you will have a good health, healthy ang paglaki mo, you will not have any sickness, you will grow as a beautiful girl, respectful girl, mabait na apo, and of course, mabait na estudyante, kaibigan, at mabait na anak. Mahal na mahal ka namin, tatandaan mo yan lagi, and continue to be as good as you are, and what else? Always be a happy girl kahit wala kami dyan. We're gonna see you soon. Enjoy every day. And we love you so much. Happy birthday!
We love you!
Bye, princess!
Mwah.
Mwah. You're